We're going to take a look at the Grinner knot today. So we've got our eyed hook, a straight eyed hook, and we're going to take our line, pass it through the eye of the hook like so. You need to pull a fair bit through because we're going to make a loop with it. I'll try and show you this as best I can. So we're going to make a loop like so. Okay. Then we're going to take this tag end and wrap it round these two through the loop as many times as we can. I like to do this a minimum of 5 times. So that's once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that tag end has gone round the doubled up piece of line through the loop 5 times. So then we just gently pull the tag end, not tight, don't pull it tight. Then you want to lubricate that now, and then pull in the main line, pull the knot so it comes down to the eye of the hook, and then pulling both of them again, make sure it's lubricated, pull the knot tight, and then just tease the knot down to the eye of the hook. Keep pulling both, tease it down, and then make sure you get the right one. Snip the tag end off. Pulling both of them means that the tag end and the main line come out parallel to each other. If you just pull the main line, the tag end will come out over here somewhere at a silly angle, and that's not what you want. It's a nice tidy knot because the tag end and the main line come out the top of the knot parallel to each other. So trim it off, fairly tight, and that's the 5-turn Grinner knot.